My name is Nicolas. I'm a founder at MIDL.dev, that's MIDL.dev, a blockchain infrastructure company focusing on Tezos. We are early supporters of Tezos. We've been in the industry since 2020, and we are offering validation services for Tezos, as well as our Tezos endpoint services, which is trusted by the community. We have started by offering a baking service for Tezos. So if you do want to bake, but you are willing to go with a trusted technical partner, you can bake with us. We are non-custodial, and we help you bake with your hardware ledger wallet in the most secure way. If you are a DeFi platform app or NFT app, and you wish to offer a reliable access to the Tezos chain from your front-end application, you can use the MIDL.dev RPC service, which is always available, always up to date with the latest evolutions of the Tezos protocol, and which has a good record at including your transaction swiftly and on time. We also offer an indexing service powered by TZKT. We are really excited about Tezos technology, and we've been following it from the very early days. The main asset, in my view, is the on-chain governance and the way that protocol upgrades are decided by the community. Also, the technical level of skill across the ecosystem is very high. Tezos is a blockchain you can trust, and this is why we spend 90% of our company activity within the Tezos blockchain. We try to contribute as well by providing good feedback to the core teams on how to improve the way we run nodes. We have started the Flashbake project, which helps Tezos users include their transactions in the chain in a private way by sending them directly to the baker. And we are always happy to assist our customers to provide a better service and escalate their concerns, if any. We are always looking to expand our service, and at the moment we are considering opening a new RPC service within Asia Pacific. Our RPC service is accessible worldwide, but we try always to be close to our customers. So right now this is USA and continental Europe, but we see a lot of exciting development within Tezos Asia Pacific. A lot of hackathons going on, and hopefully a lot of new builders coming into the space. So we are going to expand in this area, and of course as the utilization of our platform increases, we are always looking for ways to make it faster. Of course, the Tezos protocol is going to evolve in the next few months, and we are looking forward to a reduction of block time, which is a very exciting way to provide a better quality of service to the Tezos users. This edition of TezDev is my first. I was not here last year, but I'm really excited to meet everyone in person, considering that I interact with people from a different time zone in California, and most of the Tezos developers are in Paris and London. This year I was able to introduce my project, which is Flashbake, the private mempool for Tezos, which increases privacy within the Tezos chain. It is our Flashbake relay service that you can access by going to flashbake.xyz, hosted on the MIDL.dev platform. I've had a lot of good feedback from the presentation. I was very happy to hear the panel with Zaki from Cosmos and Arthur, and I think cross-pollination of good ideas between ecosystem is what is needed for the industry to succeed. The introduction of the ultra-high throughput rollup within Tezos in the next year is an exciting new development for the platform, which will for sure increase the usability of Tezos and its attractivity for companies trying to deploy a blockchain solution.